Hi friends, today let me introduce a new topic which is multiplication of any two numbers in Vedic Mathstic. And in the last classes we have learned about multiplication of any number with 5 and 25, and we have already also learned about squaring of any number ends with 5. Multiplication is very important for any competitive exam because almost each and every question will be based on multiplication. So we have to learn multiplication uh, in very easy method and tricky method. And today's method name is base complement method, means multiplying the any numbers based on base numbers. Means we have already know that base numbers means ends with 0, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. In 10 there is 1 0, and in 100 there is 2 zeros, and in 1000 there are 3 zeros. And the number near to the base numbers means if the number less than 1, 2, 3, means for 10 the near numbers to the base number is 9, 8, 7, etc. Above the base number is 11, 12, 13, etc. And let us come to the one example. The first example is, let us take a number which is 96, and 96 is multiplied with 96, means the base digit is 100. 96 is 4 numbers less to 100, so 96 minus 4 and 96 also minus 4. And in the first step we have to cross addition or subtraction, means 96 minus 4 is 92. We have to add 2 zeros on the right hand side of 92 because the base is 100. We have to add 2 zeros. If the base is 10, we have to add 0, 1 0 only. And from third step we have to multiply 4 into 4, means here minus into minus is plus, 4 4 is 16, so we have to add. So 99,216 is answer. Guys, we will do this problem in very less time. We have to check. So 9,216 and 9,216. And let us take another example, and which is 108 is multiplied with 108. Here the base number is 100, means 8 numbers is greater more than the base number 108, no. So 108 plus 8 because greater than 100. So in first step we have to add 108 and 8, cross, we have to add cross. So 108 plus 8 is 116, and we have to add double zeros on the right hand side of 116 because the base digit is 100. And in third step we have to multiply plus 8 into plus 8. Here plus into plus is plus, so it is 64. We have to add both numbers, and the answer is 11,664. Let us check by using calculator. 108 into 108, and the answer is 11,664, right? This is very simple method to do multiplication. Everyone should learn these methods. And let us take an example which is 8 into 14, means this is very simple example. I am doing this example because of to proper understanding. So here the base digit is 10, and 8 is 2 numbers less than the 10, so 8 minus 2, and 14 is 4 numbers greater than the 10, so here 4. We have to cross addition, 8 plus 4 is 12. We have to add 1 0 on the right hand side, means because base is 10, so 120. We have to multiply 2 and 4, minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8. We have to subtract 8 from 120. So the answer is 112. Let us check. 8 14s are 112. Okay guys, hope you are understanding these methods. And let us take another example, which is example number 4. Let us take 24 into 18. Here the base number is 20 because 24 is 4 numbers greater than 20, means 24. We have 4 numbers is greater means plus 4, and here 2 numbers less than 20 means minus 2. We have to cross addition. So 24 minus 2 is 22, and 18 plus 4 also 22. We can do either with first digit or with second digit, but we have to do cross addition only. And here the important trick is base number is 20, right? We should not add any zeros, so we have to multiply 22 with 20, which is 440. This is very important trick to understand. No one can explain this. And from the next process, we have to multiply plus 4 with minus 2. Plus into minus is minus, so we have to subtract 4 2s are 8 from 440, which is 432. And let us check, 24 into 18 is 432. And let us come to the another example, which is example number 5. And let me take a 3-digit number, which is 986 is multiplied with 986. So the base number is 1000, means 986 is less than 40 numbers to the 1000, so minus 14. We have to cross addition. 986 minus 14 is 972. And next step is we have to add 3 digits on the right hand side, so 972 and 3 digits. And the third step is we have to multiply minus 14 with minus 14. Here minus into minus is plus, so we have to add 14 14s are 196 to the 9,72,000, and the answer is 9,72,196. Let me check. And 986 into 986 is absolutely 9,72,196. Guys, this is very important topic. I am repeating again and again. And multiplication is very important to any competitive exam. And let me take example number 7, which is 44 into 36. Here the base digit is 40, means of course 10, but in between 10 to 100, which is this number is near to 40. So the four numbers is greater than 40, means 44 plus 4, and for 36 4 numbers is less than 40, so minus 4. The trick is we should not add any zeros on the right hand side. So the base is 40, means 40 into 40, 1600. We know that 4 square is 16, and we have to add 2 zeros. So 40 into 40 is 1600. Here we have to multiply minus 4 with plus 4. Minus into plus is minus, 4 4 is 16. We have to subtract 16 from 1600, and the answer is 1584. Let me check in calculator. 44 into 36 is 1584, right? So hope you all understand this topic well. And let me know if you have any doubts. Please comment. Please do subscribe Nandan Tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.